Hi, it's Ernest here. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I know you have been searching for the best ways to promote your affiliate product, the best website to promote your affiliate product, and even how you can promote your affiliate product properly. Promoting your affiliate product entails a lot. You need to have a proper plan, you need to have a strategy, and even if you want to promote your affiliate links on a website, then you must know the website you are promoting your affiliate product on. You must know the quality of the website and even the number of visitors that visit the website monthly or even daily before you can trust the website enough to just promote your affiliate links. Else you can promote your affiliate links on a website and even wait till thy kingdom come, but you not get any sales or you not even generate clicks on your affiliate links. So without wasting much of your time, I am going to show you the best 5 free websites where you can promote your affiliate links for free. And these websites are for free because they will not ask you to pay anything. I've tried them all and they didn't ask me to pay anything, so I'm going to show you in this video. And the last one is the website that has a lot of visitors monthly, so please make sure you watch this video to the end. And before that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button, because over here I post a lot of tutorials, online hustles and all those things, so that we can be financially free and know the best thing to do when we go to the internet searching for anything that we want. If you want to make money online, my channel is going to help you from head or from the start to the last day of searching money online. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. On my list is CANetAds.com. CANetAds.com. As you can see on the screen, CANetAds.com. This website allows visitors to post their ads or affiliate products for free, and me myself, I have been promoting my affiliate product on this website before, and it is entirely free. They get a lot of visitors from any country around the world. People from the United States, UK, Canada and all those countries come to this website just to buy products, and others also come here to promote their affiliate products as well. So when you look at the website, you can see that it has a lot of features that gives you so many options to promote your affiliate product. You can see that they have free ads, you have US job posting, UK free ads, Australia free ads. So if you want to promote your affiliate product to UK visitors, then you choose UK. If you want to promote your affiliate product to US visitors, then you choose US. This website gives you a lot of options to promote your affiliate product, and it is entirely free. It is entirely free. And one thing that I like most about this website is that it has a lot of visitors. It has a lot of visitors. I'm using SimilarWeb to check the visitors of this website, and you'll be amazed to see how much visitors this website gets in a month. It is very, very, very huge. And promoting your affiliate links on a website that gets a lot of visitors monthly is a plus to you, because you can generate a lot of clicks and even probably sales through the links that you post on this website. So let's check the visitors of this website and see whether it is the good option for us to promote our affiliate links. Now when you look at the right side of the screen, you can see that the monthly visitors of this website is very, very, very huge. It has 24.5k visitors. 24.5k visitors. As I said earlier, the country that come here most, when you see here, you can see that Indian citizens are the ones that always visit this website to either promote their product or buy something from this website. You can see that it has 67% of Indian visitors. It has 9.17% of United States. Mexico is having 7.63%, and Bangladesh and South Africa follows. So promoting your affiliate links on this website is a plus to you, because you are promoting, if you promote your affiliate link on this website, you are promoting your affiliate link to Indian visitors, United States visitors, Mexico, Bangladesh, South Africa. Maybe you might not like other countries, or you might not like Bangladesh, South Africa and all those things, because it has been proved that these visitors don't actually buy from affiliate links. But promoting here is a plus for you, because at least you will get UK visitors to see your ads, you will get United States visitors to see your ads, and probably you will generate a lot of income from it. So promoting your affiliate link on CAS or CANetAds.com is a plus for you. The second one on our list is called Adpost.com. Adpost.com. Adpost.com is also not different from CANetAds or CANetAds adpost.org. Adpost.com also allow visitors to promote their affiliate product for free. They promote the affiliate product for free without paying anything. When you see here, you can see that United States, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, and all these countries are the ones that come here a lot to promote or to promote the affiliate product or buy something from this website. You can see that it has over 2 billion page views. 2 billion page views. You know, this website is very, very, very huge, and me myself, I've been promoting my affiliate links here before. That is why I've been telling you to promote your affiliate links on website that has a lot of visitors. If you tend to promote your affiliate links to website that has low visitors or that has small visitors monthly, then you'll be just wasting your time, because nobody will click on your ad or nobody will click on your link and purchase your product for you to make money. So let's check the monthly visitors of this website and see whether it is the best option for us to promote our affiliate links. You know, looking at the visitors of this website, it is very, very, very amazing. It has 195.6k visitors a month. 195.6k visitors a month, and the average duration, that means the average number of time visitors spend on this website is 4.30, 4 minutes 30 seconds. So it shows you that if you promote your affiliate link on Adpost, you are promoting your affiliate links to a vast number of people. You know, if you promote your affiliate links before countries like United States visitors, UK visitors, Canada visitors, and all these things, you will get a lot of income from your affiliate links. And if your affiliate program allows or it pays for clicks, if you have an affiliate program that pays for clicks, you can imagine the number of clicks you'll be getting from this website and the amount you'll be getting from it. So consider promoting your affiliate links on Adpost and make a lot of money from it. Now let's check those who come to this website to promote their affiliate links or just buy something from here. You can see that Indian are also topping this list. They have 52.22% of Indian visitors. They are having 13.26 visitors of United States visitors, and also 12.22 visitors of Canadian or Canadian visitors. So this website is very, very good if you want to promote your affiliate links. This website is very, very, very good, because if you promote your affiliate links here, you will get a lot of people to see your ad or to see your links or your product and probably click on it and buy from your affiliate link. When they buy from your affiliate link, you are going to make money, and that is what we call affiliate marketing. You have to strategize your plan. You have to plan well. You have to know what to do, at what time to post, what to post, or what to promote. So if you have considered all these things, then probably you might be getting a lot of money on affiliate marketing. But if you consider not the websites you want to promote your affiliate links, or if you do not strategize your plan well, then you'll be wasting a lot of time and you will not get any money from it. So let's move to the next website on our list. The next website on our list is FreeAdsTime.org. FreeAdsTime.org. This website is also good, but one thing that I would advise you on posting your ad on this website is that when you come here, it has an option for you to create an account. If you want your ad to be shown to a lot of people, then probably you must create an account. Else they will create an algorithm to just derank your ad, and you can post thousands of ads but nobody will see it. But creating an account will tell them that you are a real human being and you want to promote your product, and this will just help you to get a lot of views on your affiliate links and probably generate some income from it. Here you can see that they have post an ad. My ads here will just let you know the number of ads you have posted on this website. And post an ad is, self-explained or self-explanatory, because here you'll be allowed to promote your product, whether it is a supplement, whether it is fitness product, whether it is everything you want to promote here. There are categories here where you can promote your affiliate links or products too. So without wasting much time, let's check the monthly visitors of this website and see whether it is the best option for us to promote our affiliate links. Checking the website visitors here is something that is most important, but I don't know why Indians have been topping the list. For our last 3 visitors that we have, or website that we have checked, Indians have been topping the list, but that is really cool because United States is also much competing with India and Pakistan. So when you look at this website, it has a monthly visitors of 142.2k visitors. That is not bad. If you are promoting your product to on a website where it has 142.2k visitors a month, that is really cool because you promote your product before a vast number of people. And these website visitors are not coming from one country. Some are coming from India, some are coming from United States, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Canada, and all these things. So consider promoting your affiliate product on the freeadstime.org and then make some money out of your affiliate links. Now let's look at the fourth one on our list. The fourth one on our list here is Oodle.com. Oodle.com. Oodle.com is the fourth one on our list, and you can imagine it has a lot of visitors. It has a lot of visitors. When you come to Oodle.com, the first thing you will see here is ads, and these ads that you will see are the ads that has been promoted by others. You can see that here Tammy Jerome promoted this ad 2 weeks ago, and he didn't pay anything. You can promote your affiliate links on Oodle.com for free without paying a single dollar. You will not be asked to pay anything on this website when you want to promote your affiliate links. It has a lot of options for you to choose if you want to promote your affiliate links. So if you want to promote your affiliate link on Oodle.com, it's just as free as CANetAds and Adpost. There is no difference, just that here I also advise you to create an account before you promote your affiliate link. So let's check the monthly visitors of this website and see whether it is the best. Oodle.com is also not bad. Oodle.com is also not bad. When you look at the monthly visitors, it is having 635.4k visitors a month. This is monthly visitors, not year. This is monthly visitors, 635k a month, and that is absolutely amazing. The average duration of this visitors on this website is 2 minutes 55 or 51 seconds. 2 minutes 55 seconds, sorry. And one thing that you might be wanting to hear is that you want the tier 1 countries to top the list, and this website is giving you that. On this website, United States visitors are most, or United States citizens are the highest visitors who visit this website. They are the highest. They come to this website just to promote their product and then buy something from it. So if you want to promote your affiliate links before United States visitors, Oodle.com is the best for you. Oodle.com is the best for you. When you look at the countries here, you can see that United States is having 86.55%, and this is absolutely high. So it is telling you that if you only want United States visitors to see your ads, come to Oodle.com, and that is simple as ABC. Come to Oodle.com because here United States visitors are the highest number of people who come here, and they come here for two purposes: either to promote their product or to buy something from here. So if you want them to buy your product, you can come here and promote your product. As simple as that. Now we are moving to the last website that we'll be talking about is Gumtree. I believe you have heard Gumtree before. It is the most popular website to promote your affiliate product, and I believe if even you have not heard Gumtree before, that is what we are going to talk about. Gumtree is the last website I'm going to talk about. Gumtree website allows you to promote your product on it, and it has a lot of visitors. With Gumtree, if you promote your product, it is about 70% or 80% sure that you will generate income, provided that your product is attractive. If you are promoting attractive product, or if your product is much attractive, you will get a lot of buys from Gumtree. You can see that people have promoted their product here. Somebody is promoting Mercedes-Benz E-Class for 1,500 or 11,500 euros, and that is pretty cool. If you want to promote your affiliate product on Gumtree, then probably you will generate a lot of clicks and sales. If you want to get a lot of visitors, if you want to get a lot of clicks on your affiliate links, come to Gumtree and promote your affiliate links. Now let's check the monthly visitors of this website and see whether it is the best fit for us. When you check the monthly visitors of Gumtree, you'll be amazed. As I told you earlier, it is the best among the rest on our list. It is the best. It has 22.8 million visitors a month. Just imagine if you are promoting your product on a website that is having 22.8 8 million visitors a month, and the average visit duration is 6.34 minutes. 6 minutes 34 seconds. So you can imagine, not less than 6 minutes. So if a visitor comes to this website, they spend a lot of time on this website, and they spend time on this website for two reasons: promoting or buying. So if you want to promote your affiliate links on Gumtree, you must not waste time, because if you promote your affiliate link on Gumtree, you will probably generate a lot of clicks and also income from your affiliate link. If you want to make money from affiliate marketing, these are some of the websites you need to look at, because you can't promote your affiliate link on a website where it has a small visitors month, or even daily visitors are not up to 1,000. You just be wasting your time. There is one website that I wanted to talk about, but because of time I will not be allowed to talk about it, but I will leave a link in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Or I have a video on how to promote your affiliate link on Facebook page and group safely. I'll also leave a link to that video in the description below, so make sure you also check it out. But please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button, so that when I drop the next video, you'll be the first person to get it. Don't forget to subscribe. I beg you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.